Today is the evaluate section, Unit 3, Task 2, evaluate. Please do this in your project organizer as it goes with your culminating project. We will be working more on this. What you're going to do for this is with your aquaponic system that mimics the properties of the river system, you're going to include, it's going to have lots of chemical reactions that we watched the video last week about the different chemical reactions. So what I want you to think about for this one is identifying and adding an organism to your aquaponic system that uses cellular respiration. Okay, so it could be an animal, could be a plant. Okay, so what you're going to do is these three things on the list, and you're going to identify what molecules the organism requires for cellular respiration. Okay, so how is your system going to provide those molecules? Then you're going to identify what molecules the organism is going to create through the process. So your reactants, and your products. You got to figure that out. Okay, and how is your system going to use those products? Then you're going to draw a picture of your organism and the molecules and basically the equation that goes with it, okay, and how to show the molecules entering and leaving the organism. All right, so that is your plan for the aquaponic system. So what organism you're going to include and what molecules do they require for cellular respiration and what molecules do they give off for their product and how are you going to use that in your system. And if you need a hint, go back to the video for task 1 when we talked about our evaluate section. Okay, so that video or any video on aquaponics and cellular respiration, you might want to Google that. Okay, so that would help you. So that's a plan. So that goes into your Unit 3 project organizer, task 2. Okay, so that goes in here. The next thing is reflection. And again, that's on your own. So think about the models that we use for the chemical equations and comparing the two sides. And think about exploring those reactions and using evidence from the task to justify how did you record those answers and what did you see? What tasks did we do to kind of help you with that? Again, no right or wrong answer unless it's empty. All right. So hopefully you got everything that you needed out of the videos and out of the work and your understanding. If you're not, please let me know. Okay. Because if you don't get something, then it's going to make it harder later on. All right. Bye.